Welcome into 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at AGIX, also known as the longer, much more difficult to say name, SINGULARITYNET token. All right, so looking at the 4-hour here, the short time frame, looking awfully bullish, right? Just yesterday we were like 69, 68 cents, and now knocking on the door of $1, which is coincidentally right where our fib 1618 is, 108, right? So that's the next target to the upside. Not too far. Right? It's not too much to ask. We are only about 17%, 17% away from that. So that will be our next spot to look for some kind of hesitation, perhaps. Right? So let's get rid of that. You're also noting, like, watch these Bollinger Bands, right? As long as that bottom line is diverging and not closing up, like you see this, right? We see it start to close. That's when you can start to get take a breath or take some consolidation, right? But until then, up is the word of the day, up 30% as we speak. So let's go out a little bit lower to the daily chart. Now we can see really the great accumulation zone, right? You had a long time, right? From all the way really up until about a week and a half ago to buy AGIX for about 30 cents. You're up 3x in a handful of weeks, right? That's pretty okay. All right, so the next spot, again, like I said, just shy of $1.10. Beyond that, right, we've made some other videos where we look at some speculation on the macro scale from our all-time highs to swing lows in the bear market. The 1618 on that is 166, so a little bit higher from current prices. We are looking at, a rough 80% just to there. Beyond that, right, we're looking at the 2618 all the way up at 726. That's a bit ways to go. Could we get there? Of course. Could we go higher? Sure. The 3618, $31. Now we're starting to get into some serious money here, right? So from current prices, we're looking at an additional 3,300%. Is that possible? Well, the market cap, it would have to be like one of the top, in the top 10 for sure, right? We're looking at a 19,000% from the bottom, roughly 20,000%. There are coins that have done that. Last cycle, many coins did that. So is that absolutely batshit crazy? Maybe for your portfolio, but not in the realm of reality. That is a legit possibility, right? Based on market cap, based on whatever you want to think, not outside the realm. So if you're excited, I'm excited, right? However, in the short term, we're getting a little bit crazy, right? When you start seeing coins jumping 30% in a day, right? Maybe it's time for a little bit of a cool off, right? We're seeing Bitcoin kind of flirt around with 62. If Bitcoin decides it needs to take a break for a little bit and go down rapidly, the more rapid Bitcoin goes down, the harder altcoins will fall. However, you want to be tracking ones that are performing well during these times while Bitcoin is on chill mode. Those will likely continue to be the ones that do well in this upcoming alt season and upcoming bull market. So AGIX is definitely included in that. These are my top alts, right? If you follow me anywhere, right? Consider subscribing to our Patreon group. We talk about all of my favorite alts all the time. Bitcoin, altcoin market caps. You get access to our private alerts group, right? A lot of good stuff in there, a lot of extra content. And we talk about anything you want. So that is AGIX wrapped up in a nutshell on the daily. Let's go take a brief look at the weekly, right? Same thing, just a different mode there, right? But the weekly snapshot, right? Why is AGIX starting to explode? It's a no-brainer. It just broke all-time high, resistance again, right? From back all the way back in 2021. We tapped it again in 2023. In 2024, no longer is that a barricade. We've broken through, and we actually retested that level after we broke through it. This is just like textbook breakout, back test to 50 cents, and then send it, right? 166, would not be shocked if that's hit in the not so distant future. All right, let's get to our quote and card of the day. Quote first: loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. We lost all our Bitcoin. Nature loves it. All right. Car of the day, Pagani Huayra. This is the owner right here. I talked to him at this car show. Real estate developer, of course. Right. What else would he be? Doesn't look like a pro athlete, but a pro athlete couldn't fit in this. These things are tiny. Look at how custom is it. Man, it's so nice. Words don't even describe how nice this is. Look at this. Exposed wide weave carbon. Do you know how difficult that is to do? Right? There's a reason this is multi-million dollars. This is art engineering at its finest right here. Here we go. Look at the back. Opened up like a clamshell. I mean, everything just opens up. It's just absolutely amazing. Probably my favorite car to look at. If money was no object, right, this would be in my garage for sure. Right? It'd be my top, right? If hypercars, right? Anything above $1 million, absolutely. Pagani Huayra is there, right? For me. How could you not like this? Jesus. Amazing. Look at the front. So cool. All carbon. I'm into cars more than crypto, I think. Just like this guy. Look at this guy. Look how happy he is. He's just filming. This guy's 70 years old and he's loving it. Paganis do that. All right. I'll catch you on the next one. Join our Telegram group. We'll see you there.